Hey there, fellow explorers. Welcome to Code Colony, the ultimate destination to unleash your coding potential. I am Vaishali, your trusted guide on this thrilling journey through the captivating world of web development. Now picture this. Just as I introduced myself to you, there is an element in a website that plays a similar role. It acts as a welcoming host, inviting visitors to explore further. Can you guess what it is? That's right, the website's header. Just like a welcome mat, the header sets a tone and provides crucial information to make visitors feel comfortable and engaged. It's like the front door of the house, inviting visitors to step inside and explore. In this video, I'll show you how to create a header that spans the full width of the website using Elementor's powerful page builder. So let's get started. To begin, make sure you have Elementor installed and activated on your WordPress website. If you are new to Elementor, don't worry. I'll walk you through the process step by step. So firstly, we will create a new page in the Elementor. Second, we will create a full width section. Third, we will add a full width header layout. Fourth, we will design the header. Fifth, and the last step is testing and publishing. So the first step is to install and activate Elementor plugin in your WordPress website. So head over to your WordPress dashboard, click on plugins and then add new. Now search for Elementor header and footer. Click install now. Once installed, click activate. Come to appearance and click on the Elementor header and footer builder. Then click on add new. Give your page a title such as header. Now that we have our blank page, let's add Elementor to it. So click the edit with Elementor button and we are ready to go. Now coming to the third step, you can either select one of the pre-designed header templates or start from scratch by choosing a blank template. For this tutorial, we will start from scratch to demonstrate the complete process. So click on the Add New section button and from the layout options, choose Stretch Section to make it full width. You can also customize the section's height and background settings to fit your design preferences. Now that our section is set up, let's move on to the next step, which is adding a full width header layout. This is where we can get creative and make our header really stunning. So the first element that catches the eye in the header is the logo. It's like a friendly face saying, hey, you are in the right place. So it's important to have a visually appealing and recognizable logo. So come to the style section and click on background and make the color of the section gray. Now for the logo, select the image widget and from the list of images, choose your logo. Then select insert. Now our logo is successfully updated. Next, we have the navigation menu. Just like a map, the navigation menu guides a visitor through the website. Go to the search tab and search for menu. Select WordPress menu, drag the widget and drop it in the middle column. Now we will stretch the column so that our navigation menu comes in one line. Come to the style section and now as our logo is blue, we are going to choose the text color as blue. Second, we have the hover. So when we hover to each element in the nav menu, we are going to select the color as light blue. And similarly, we will change the pointer color also. Now, there are several types of pointer styles available. First, we have the overline, which looks like this. Second, we have the double line. Third, we have the framed. Fourth, we have the background. And the fifth, we have the text. Let's keep the pointer as text for this header. And in the animation, I'll choose as grow. Come to the main menu. And in the typography, just increase the text size so that the nav menu looks prominent. Moving on, we have the headline or the tagline. This provides a concise summary of what the website is about. But definitely, you can omit this part if you want. Another crucial element in the header is the call to action button. The button acts as an invitation, encouraging visitors to take a specific action, such as sign up, subscribing, or making a purchase. So select the button widget, and as our text color is blue, we will also select the button color as blue. Now come down and you can see a border radius. Let's give the border radius as 20, and this will make our button round. Now come to the padding section. Keep the padding as 16 in top and bottom and 28 in left and right. Okay, let's increase the border radius little bit to make it more rounder, and let's add box shadow. So this gives a beautiful effect to our button. And lastly, we will make the border type as solid. By default, the border color is white. So this looks fine. Now let's add another call to action button. So instead of creating it from scratch, we will copy the button that we have just created. So make a new column. Click on the first button, select copy, and in the last column, just paste it. Okay. Come to the content section and give the name as register. Now let's make this button transparent. So in the color, just reduce the opacity to 0, and we will make the text color blue so that it looks beautiful, and similarly in the border also. Now click on this option for making the header mobile friendly. Okay, so this layout does not look proper because the alignment of the button needs to be changed. Now click on the first button, come to the content section, just go down, and we will choose the alignment as center. Similarly goes with the second button as well. Okay. Now the problem is that the space between the first and second button doesn't look that good. So come to the advanced section and just decrease the top margin, and similarly goes with the second button. So you can see the header looks good in mobile view. Now if you want, you can add the social media icons as well. So for that, search for social and choose social icons widget. Choose the alignment according to what you want. You can also change the shape by making the icon square or circular. I would like to make the buttons round. So in the shape, just choose circle. Now in the responsive mode, choose mobile, and then see how these icons looks in mobile view. Now just click on exit to go back to your WordPress dashboard, and again choose Elementor header and footer builder by clicking on appearance. Now here we can see the header. So for changing the settings and display option, just click on the header. Scroll down, you will get to see type of template. So in the select option, just choose header, and in the display on, choose entire website. If you want to display the header in each and every pages, and in the user role, you can select as all and then click on update. Perfect. Now let's add some element in the home page, and you can see how beautiful our header looks in our website. There are a few advanced options that you can use to customize your header. For example, you can use a background section to add background image or color to your header. You can also use the padding section to set the amount of padding around your header. That's it for today's tutorial on how to make a full width header in Elementor. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated with our latest tutorial. Feel free to leave any question or suggestion in the comments below. Thank you for watching and happy coding. Bye.